Hey everybody, welcome back. So I have the final on my Peugeot 403 for the small scale group build, sorry. It is done by Heller, and it is the 143 scale. And I decided, like I had mentioned in my reveal video for this, I was going to attempt to try to do it like Columbo's car from the TV show. And I think it came out okay. I'm not 100% happy with it, but I'll go through some of the things that I did, and you'll kind of see why things didn't work quite right. So let me just go through it, and let me stop this, and I'll pick this up. So, to begin with, first of all, the kit itself went together perfectly. To try to get the cloth top, I actually used a piece of cloth. This is actually a piece of muslin that my wife had from her sewing area. And I trimmed it down to the size of the roof. I actually cut the roof off completely and then used the muslin to make the top. So my initial thought was that I was going to actually make the convertible frame, right? So the piece that, that would pop here, there would be another section here, right? If you look at, I'll put a photo up of the actual car from the TV show on the video so you can see what I'm talking about. But what I ended up finding out was that it was too difficult. I couldn't find the right gauge wire to make this look like it was in scale. Everything was just looked either way too small or way too big for what I had. So I struck on the idea of using the windshield. So the windshield, I'll show you this here. So the glass on this, it was actually, since it was a four-door car for the kit, this is all a solid piece of plastic for the windshield. So what I did was I carved this section out on both sides. So the two door frames, except for, well, this is the little triangle window here was connected to this. So I had to cut this section out. And then on the other side. So I used that as my template for the roof. Then I had to, and I cut the fabric to match. And then the really hard part was actually filling in the back so that the window looked like it was also convertible, right? And would collapse on itself. So the fit isn't perfect. And then the white glue that I had to use to stiffen this up so that it was nice and hard. Got on the windshield, I couldn't get that off. I missed removing this door handle. I was able to actually kind of cover the seams on the doors so it looked like a two-door car instead of a four-door. And I missed that door handle and didn't realize it until too late. There's the front. Overall, the car went together very, very well, other than the modifications that I made. So the real basic underneath. So, for the first time trying to do anything modified like this, I think it was okay. I learned a lot doing this. But, it's what it is. So this is my final entry for the small scale group build held by Sean and Brian. And I will put links to their channels down at the bottom so you guys can see that. And yeah, let me know what you think. Again, first time trying to do any sort of modification like this. I was winging it. So that's where we're at. Well, I hope you guys like it. Please leave a comment, like and subscribe to the video, share it if you feel, And to my new subscribers recently, thank you very much. I appreciate it. And to my long-term subscribers, thank you very much for sticking around with my ineptitude and my mediocre modeling skills. So I'll talk to you all real soon. Everybody have a wonderful week. Bye.